This particular chuck is made for a 1 1/4 by 8 thread, but it doesn't have a nut on it, so it makes it a little difficult to get off. So what I've done is I've bandsawed out a spanner wrench, and that will go right in the openings where you install your jaws. There's 4 of them, and it'll hook in there, and I can get leverage and break it loose and unscrew it. The aluminum was long enough for me to have a handle, and I could have rounded the corners over, but I'm thinking, well, gee, you know, why don't I turn a nice comfortable wooden handle? So that's what I'm going to do. And I don't think I'll be doing too much talking during that process. I'll run that through a little faster than normal, and when we're all finished, hopefully I've rounded this up and made it look real pretty and we have a handle on it. So we'll see you when I get done. So here it is, the finished spanner wrench. But before I show you how it works, it's time for a shout out. I recently watched a video on a channel that I follow. This video showed the making of a bandsaw circle cutting jig. I have one, but it's in pretty bad shape. I liked his so much I decided to make one, and here it is. It's simple to make, and it does a great job. His channel is Jordan Woodwerk. I will give the link in my description. Check him out. He does some really nice work. That's Jordan Woodwerk. Let me show you how this works. Well, here it is. I used a pretty nice piece of walnut. It was pretty much at the point of being called a scrap, which I don't think I have anything that I really truly call a scrap. But that's what I use for the handle. This is a brass fitting that you can buy at a hardware store. It's twice as long as that. I cut it in half and make two out of it. And a piece of aluminum. A little hook on it. Now I'll turn you over to the chuck here and you can see how it works. So here we have one of the insert chucks. There's a insert with a 1 1/4 by 8 thread. That insert has a hex on it. So I can get a wrench on there. This is a non-insert chuck. It's tapped for a 1 1/4 by 8 thread. That's all it'll fit on. Because of that, there's no hex back here to get a hold of. I have seen where people put something in here and use that to lever against to get it loose. These to me are probably the most critical part of that chuck. I don't really want to be disturbing the fit. Take a chance on having it not run true. So I made the little spanner wrench. And now I'll show you how it works. I go down to this notch, put some leverage on it, and it comes right off. And from this side, same thing. So that's it. Very simple to make, and to me, it's really handy. I like to use this chuck, but I have never really liked trying to get it off. So that's why I made this.